Here comes the ant. The leafcutter ant. That is amazing. They like struggle all the way through this grass. Carrying the leaves on their back.
They're breaking down.
And they are carrying the leaves all the way up here on the hill. These big houses. That's amazing. How cool is that, Kalani?
Wow.
Those ants are cool.
I am.
You're an ant?
Yeah.
Let me see. Oh, you're fast. Can you carry stuff too?
I'm your ant. Look at these.
Cameron.
Look at these.
And here comes Cameron playing with some PVC pipes. Oh, you're a leaf. You got a leaf because you're an ant. That's cool.
Me turn. Me turn now. Me turn.
Okay. Okay, little ant. Good job.